Hi, this is Bob Freeman with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2020 320 Vantage. Fantastic boat. I'm going to show you why. Start with the beautiful color. It's a steel blue, absolutely gorgeous on the water with the white hull. Nice mix right there. It's got a nice, beautiful hardtop on it. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are inside the 320 Vantage. Let's still look at some of the good parts about this boat. It's powered by the Mercury Verado 300s. Plenty of horsepower for this boat, getting it up on plane, good top end on it as well. If you're just going out for a nice cruise, you can put 3 or 4 adults comfortably, real comfortable seat here. If you want to throw the fishing line over the back, folds up, nice bolster here. You've got a fold down seat on this side, and then you've got the dive door, which is fantastic. It's good for just floating on a floating dock. You can walk on and off the boat instead of going through the transom. The ladder goes in it. It's good for coming out of the water. And if you're bringing a fish on board, you can slide it right on into the fish pond. So fantastic. Then over here, we've got the live well, good sized live well right here that sometimes doubles as a cooler as well, self-draining. Refrigerator, so a nice prep area here. So the folding seats come down, they lounge forward and back. You've got a nice dual helm seat here, very comfortable. It adjusts up and down. Then you've got a little cabin underneath. If the weather gets bad, you need to get out of the weather, you can hide down underneath there very, very comfortably. And then the helm area over here, you've got the joystick, which allows this boat to go sideways. I can dock it in any condition. It's got autopilot and also has skyhook. I can lock it in. I can point the bow at the sun. Go lounge up there, watch the sunset for a half hour, 45 minutes. Fantastic. It's got the smart craft on it. You can put whatever electronics you want on the boat. And then here's the head area. So very large head area. It's got a seat in there so you can sit down and change and rinse yourself off and shower up if you need to. And then lastly, the bow area. I've got it set up now as the pillar, so there's one big sun pad out here. Very, very cool. This comes out obviously for regular lounges. And also we've got on the bow, we've got the windlass down below, it's recessed below, and then you've got the beach boarding ladder, which you can bring the boat right up onto the beach, put the ladder out, get right down onto the sand, not getting wet. Absolutely great. So the boat has just about everything. You can shoot to the keys from here. It'll do pretty much anything you want to do. So if you've got any questions, would like to make an appointment to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194, and please sign up for our YouTube channel.